Okay, everybody. Something I've always wanted was a new helmet. Well, kind of always needed, always wanted. And this is the new adult bike helmet, GoPro mount for the adult bikes and whatever else. There's the GoPro mount. I put it right underneath the visor. One thing you do have to do is this hole no longer lines up, no matter where you put this in the slot. But yeah, that's the GoPro. If you had a Hero Session in here versus a GoPro, this is a Hero 6. If you had a Session in here, it would be better. You'd have the visor just like you normally would, and it would all be perfect. But this is the helmet. It's got a bunch of air vents, and I can't really see anything on this side, but trust me, it's the exact same thing as this side. Looks really cool and stuff. So, sneak peek, we're gonna go ride, we're gonna go load up and go ride with some of our buddies. So, yeah. So what's gonna happen with the new GoPro and helmet. So, here's the old helmet if you guys really don't. But I still muddy from a long time ago. Doesn't fit me. It's a little answer helmet. I just got one of these little GoPro grab bag things. No GoPro mount on this side on this helmet because I didn't have a GoPro or GoPro mount when I had that helmet. I grew out of it too fast. So here's the a 5-year warranty. Didn't even know that. It's a LS2 helmet. Cool little design on the front. But yeah, there's nothing in there. Comes with a cool little bag for the helmet. But yep, that's what's going on today. We're gonna go for a ride. You're gonna see that on the new helmet. So yep, just a quick little reminder video, and wait for that video. I don't know, it's probably not gonna come out today, the day this is coming out, but it will be out. So yep.